In this 9th course of the Digital Manufacturing and Design Technology specialization, Model-Based Systems Engineering and the Digital Thread, we will build on the foundation of the other courses in the specialization with the mindset of systems engineering. The transformation from paper-based to digital product development has helped aerospace and defense industries. The impact offers great potential for commodity products, automotive, and high-mix, low-run design and manufacturing. I'm Ken English, the Deputy Director of the Sustainable Manufacturing and Advanced Robotics Technology Community of Excellence at the University of Buffalo. We are excited to have you join us as we explore the paradigm of design and manufacturing and how it connects with product development. The course focuses on a formalized approach to product development that brings in stakeholders in an interdisciplinary way for developing products. The approach is systems engineering. It is meant to bring together all participants of product design and manufacturing in a holistic, streamlined development process. We start off this course with a look at systems engineering, with a special focus on the recent harmonization of the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, standards with best practices laid out in the International Council of Systems Engineers, INCOSE, Systems Engineering Handbook. In the course, we connect the concept of the digital thread with the practices of systems engineering to create the discipline of model-based systems engineering, or MBSE. We also integrate the concept of the digital thread and the practice of systems engineering with those concepts developed in other courses of the specialization, creating a vision for a model-based enterprise, or MBE. The course concludes with a structure that can help you establish an approach for self-evaluating readiness for adoption of the model-based enterprise. After taking the course, you will be able to talk with colleagues and management about systems engineering, model-based systems engineering, and model-based enterprise concepts, including both benefits and limitations. Along the way, we will bring in David Long, an expert in MBSE from Vitek. This course will guide you to making your company more responsive, allow you to be more involved in product development, and open up new career paths in advanced manufacturing. You will be guided through an exploration of a transformative approach to making products and be prepared to be a force of change. Lectures, discussions, expert perspectives, supplemental videos, and readings are provided to enable you to transition you or your company through the evolution to model-based systems engineering.